Today, in Supreme Court Ki Baat, I will tell you all the story of the supersession of the great Indian judge of the Supreme Court, Justice H.R. Khanna. The government of India, led by Mrs. Indira Gandhi, was very unhappy with Justice H.R. Khanna because he had tilted the scale in Keshavananda Bharati's case in favor of the basic structure concept. We all know that in Keshavananda Bharati, the Supreme Court held that the Parliament of India could amend any part of the Constitution of India, but the basic structure could not be amended. Keshavananda Bharati has been called the great protector of the Indian democracy. Now, on 25th June 1975, the emergency was declared by Mrs. Gandhi's government. On 26th June 1975, by a presidential order, it was declared that the citizens of India did not enjoy the right to life and liberty during the period of the emergency. Hence, if a person was detained under any law like MISA, if he was preventively detained, he could not file a writ petition for securing his release on any ground whatsoever. In ADM Jabalpur, this presidential order was challenged before the Supreme Court. It was a bench of 5 judges, and the majority held that during the emergency, the citizen did not enjoy the right to life and liberty. In other words, if a man was arrested during emergency on any ground whatsoever, if he was preventively detained, he could not go to the court and secure his release. The power of the government during emergency was held to be absolute. Now, in this ADM Jabalpur's case, there was a lone dissenting voice, and that was of Justice H.R. Khanna. He said in his judgment that the right to life and liberty cannot be eclipsed even during the time of emergency. A citizen could knock the doors of the constitutional courts, that is the High Court and the Supreme Court, even during emergency for securing his release. The government of the day, led by Mrs. Gandhi, was very unhappy at this dissenting opinion. Justice H.R. Khanna was to take over as the next Chief Justice of India in January 1977. However, he was superseded by Justice Beg, who became the Chief Justice of India. In protest, Justice H.R. Khanna resigned as a judge from the Supreme Court. The dissenting view of Justice H.R. Khanna in ADM Jabalpur may have cost him the Chief Justiceship of India, but has made him immortal in the annals of history.